Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of CoinMarketCap. We go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about CoinMarketCap and you will enter. Here in this page you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors on your app. So please don't forget to support us by liking.